Hi, this is Manikandan Thimma, advertising and fashion photographer from Bangalore. This video is all about my upcoming high fashion photography workshop powered by Broken Heart Studio Bangalore, which is going to happen on 13th July 2025 at Aura Gallery. First thing you will be learning about lighting. So I'll be sharing my knowledge on lighting part for high fashion photography and what kind of light you need to use, what distance you need to use, what kind of image you can get if you use this light, if you use this diffuser, etc. That will be covering for sure. And I'll make sure each and everyone will understand the complete feel of the light. We'll be having a beautiful international model with us the whole day. And yes, of course, professional makeup artists, hairstylists, and designer garment. This time I was looking at Idea Design College and their collections were awesome. So few garments will be coming for our workshop for sure. We'll be making one headgear that's gonna add a lot of different feel to the image. And as I said, the place is made of mud and tree houses, etc. But we're gonna do some high fashion with that. So each participant will have their own time to shoot with the model. That means you'll be making your own portfolio at your time, and I'll make sure you will get a good image because I'll be around with you guys for the whole day. So if you do anything wrong, I'll say, bro, this is not looking good, can you make it better? We can make it better, do something like that. And if you do something good, bro, this is awesome, I can tell. That's what the interaction is going to be. This is the whole long day workshop, and we'll be starting around 9:30 and it will go till 6:30. So I'll be giving a pro tips on how to handle a raw file. Once you get the raw file, how to use them, how to make them perfect. I'll be giving you tips on that. That will help you to make a perfect image for sure. I'll make sure everyone will go with a beautiful portfolio from this workshop. Visit manikandanthimma.in and register now.